she senses danger. Say hi to Leo the llama. Leo loves to eat alfalfa hay. He munches on it calmly all day. Fun fact, Leo can spit when he's annoyed, but he's very polite most of the time. Meet Max the barn cat. Max loves to eat fish. He purrs loudly when he gets his favorite treat. Fun fact, Max helps keep the farm safe from mice and rats. He's a tiny superhero. Bark at Bella the sheepdog. Bella loves to eat meaty bones. She's happiest when she's chewing on one after work. Fun fact, Bella is super smart and can herd an entire flock of sheep all by herself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the fun with your friends. See you next time.